Zombie apocalypse.
This is AGA Forex. As you can see, this is $300 profit reading from just $250 account. So I can assure you with magic bomb strategy, you can be able to get your confirmation so gallant and enter your trades. Just look at this trade now. We got our confirmation from what? From the 1 minute time frame. This is where we got our confirmation here. This is it. This box. You see? This is our main confirmation. And let me show you the 5 minute chart on how we are able to capture the setup. Look at it here. Look at it. This from 5 minutes chart. This is USDCHF. See, and it's just less than 24 hours I took this trade. Let me check. Just less than 24 hours I took it. 12th of May 2003. Okay, that's 24 hours. 24 hours from now that I'm recording this video. Happy Salah, or I should say happy Eid al-Mubarak to all of you. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. I'm very sure those that participate in the giveaway have received their winning tickets. Because my support managers are trying to configure out those that send them screenshots so that they can verify everything. But what I'm just trying to let you understand here is that with this margin bomb strategy, you can be able to scalp your market anyhow and anytime you want. Let me show you here. This is where we got our confirmation from this point. Look at it. From this point. See, from this point, this is where we got our confirmation here. See, the market. For those that have the strategy, you know what this confirmation means. And this is the second confirmation here. You see, we got it right. Let's even use what is it called, vertical, or you see, look at it here. We get our confirmation here. So everything is intact. Everything is just intact here, and that's why the bot automatically give us signals, and we use the strategy to confirm the signal and execute your trades. This is USDCHF. So with this strategy, you can be able to trade gold. You'll be able to trade gold conveniently. If you want to trade crude oil, you can be able to trade crude oil. You can see just one signal from the board. I know I risk much because I risk more than 10% of my account, which is depend on the strategy I'm using to take this trade, because I'm a backtesting. One guy asked me, can he be able to double his account with my signal, because somebody sent me how he was able to get 50% with one signal. So I decided to double the risk and see if it is possible, because a lot of people like to take very, very serious risks. Yeah, I know, and it's cool. Let me tell you, what I just want you to understand with Forex trading and everything in general, your positive winning trades should always be bigger than your losing trades. You are just good to go. As I posted in my last update on my Telegram channel yesterday, I say your market have 5 things. Always avoid the last one, and you are just fine. You avoid big loss. That's the only thing you'll avoid. But what you have to accommodate small loss, you have to accommodate small profit, you have to accommodate big profit and break even as well. These are the 5 outcomes of our trade. Every trade in this life have 5 outcomes. Number 1, break even. Number 2, small profit. Number 3, big profit. Number 4, small loss. And the last one is number 5, big loss. Always avoid big loss. If you avoid big loss, you are just good to go with your trades. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. So I just want you to know that with this magic bomb strategy, you see the market, right? The trend, you see, even though the market comes and retests this area, retest this support area here on top, but it's still a support because this is where I get the confirmation. So I will not execute my trade, I will allow it to run. Look at it here now. See the market, it's more than that. See how the market was just giving. So even if I am following the market and I got this kind of signal, I will still sell again. This kind of signal, if we are going on, or we are riding a trend and I see this kind of move, I will sell again because the market has formed a double top and definitely this market will go down. Or just capture my pips. It depends on how much pips you want to take. See the market will continue to go down. Let's go on. See the market right trend. See, even somewhere here I'll still sell and capture this trend, fine, or this swing, fine. See, and this is where the market is now. So if this market go above this white moving average, which is the main confirmation for entry trigger of our buy or sell, I will just close this market and hold this loss early if I want, because I don't know whether the market will go up, and at least I have booked enough. 200 is even coming down. 200, I think I will leave it. If this market close above this, I will exit my trade, and if it's continue down, I will hold my trade. This is, well, I'll just put my stop loss here. Let me see. Stop loss. Let me put my stop loss here above this area. 0.9621. 0.9621. 0.9621. 9621. Stop loss 0.9621. Why is it not giving me what I want? Okay, 0.9625. 0.9625. Stop loss, take profit. Take profit, stop loss. 0.96. It's very close. I think let me just make it 0.700. 90. Okay. I don't know why I don't adjust, but I may just hold on, look for my what, break up these previous highs, and I'll just exit my trade, and I'm good for the day. This is more than 100% of your account, live and direct from AGA Forex. Nice to talk to you. See you in my next video. For those that don't have the strategy, can contact me or contact my support manager. Our strategy is a unique strategy. That's why it's called a magic bomb strategy. You can trade any fundamental instrument with our strategy. This is AGA Forex. Bye. This is AGA Forex. I'm back. You can see, as I anticipated, I said if this market break below these highs, yes, I will exit the trade. But see, the market started retracing, even though it go above this, but it's retraced down. I'm still holding my position. Look at it now. It's giving me $356 profit just from one single signal from our magic bomb strategy. This is the entry for the signal. This box here, that was the entry. You can see it's going well. So I think this is I say I'll close it on $350. So you see, I have gotten $350 from just single trade. Look at it. Just from one single trade, I get $350. Let me close my profit. So you see, this is my equity, $600. I just closed an account of $253 to $603. I got $350 with just one signal from the magic bomb strategy. Look at it here. Take profit here. Look at it. Take profit here. I take my profit here. This is AGA for